going on, guys? Hoping you guys caught something small today. Um, but yeah, let's get into today's trade recap. So this is the 1 minute, and price came down, and we tapped into a 15-minute fair value gap, which I was hoping to respect it and end up catching an IFEG out of it, hopefully on like the 30-second or the 1 minute, typically. But even all time frames to 30-second to the 3 minute, there was nothing. So here's exactly what I did. So like I said, we rejected the 15-minute fair value gap there. I wanted to just catch something in this little area and then target the relatively equal highs to the 1 hour and the 4 hour highs up there. Anyways, didn't get it. So I was patient and I waited. So now price kept on pumping and we got closer to the previous weekly high. So I was like, okay, well, we're probably going to get close to it and end up stalling and end up creating LOL, most likely to the upside. And if we didn't get that, then I was going to wait for the sweep and then hopefully have LRL down to the bottom range or of the range. And so that didn't happen. So now we didn't really create LRL to the upside, but we did create a protected low on the 30-second. I don't have the 30-second on TradingView because there's no point for me paying for it when I could just get it on Quantire anyway. So once we made the protected low out of this gap right there below me, we had a small IFEG right in this little section over here, and I seen how we were displacing up to the previous weekly highs. I end up taking it along, stops a little bit below the gap, and end up catching a little over a 1-to-1. It was like a 1.6 or something like that, and yeah, so that's what I took, and I ended up catching like 36 points, and yeah, locked myself out of the count. Some days aren't as big as you would like, but it is what it is. Small wins will stack, and once you have that type of discipline and patience, things just are a lot easier, and trading's a lot less stressful and a little bit easy to navigate every day, because consistency is key, and that's what you got to practice on. All right, that's it for today. I'll be back tomorrow. Peace.